Okay, welcome to part 6. This is our summary and review section. So, looking back at the 5 sections we've had before, just want to remind you this is our BHS staff. These are the people who you look to for answers, for information. So, please make sure that you use them. Okay? And feel free to use this video as sort of your reference for all of the things that we've talked about. We did our academic update and information on testing. That information is in video too. And if there are questions or concerns, remember you can go to the class of 2022 group and it's in either resources or events. Either one of those will have that link that says need to speak to your counselor, click here. Okay, and in that you can choose the correct counselor and they will be in touch with you as soon as they can. Remember to keep Mr. Gilmer in mind regarding virtual college visits and also the ASVAB, and he's the person who places all of those scholarship listings into our Schoology group. He's another real resource for you this year as a senior. Post-secondary plan options, we had a full video on those, which was part 3. And these are the websites. Feel free at any point to pause this video so that you can write down or look up some of the information on the web that is here. We have information that can help you with choosing a career, information that can help you with choosing a college or any of those sorts of things. So please make sure you use those carefully and wisely as you are making your plan for life after Bayshore. We talked about our local post-secondary plan options. We went into sort of lists of those sort of in depth. Manatee Tech is there for you if you want to do a shorter program that's 6 months up to a couple of years. We also have State College of Florida, and they have certificate programs and 2-year degrees and some 4-year degrees as well. Um, Senior Toolbox, again, these are some of the same websites. You can use those to get information. Those were also included in the video about local post-secondary options. And then we talked about financial aid in part 5. And you had some homework that you needed to do. If you've not done these things, please do them. You should do the FAFSA. Okay, that's at this web address. And also you should complete the FFAA, which is for state financial aid. The FFAA is found at floridastudentfinancialaid.org, and there will be lots of private scholarships listed on the Schoology group, and also things you can find on the web. Apply, 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 just like the screen says. Okay, you want to make sure that you give yourself as many options or opportunities as possible to get financial aid. Um, a reminder of the dates for the virtual FAFSA workshops. They've already started. They will be going all the way through March 10th. Earlier is better than later. You want to get this done so that the school that you're going to will have that information and they may be able to find additional funding for you based on your FAFSA results. And there's more information about these virtual workshops in our class of 2022 group. Okay. All right. Now, the last thing that I want you to do is during part 1, when we met in person, I had you complete a form. This is another form that has a couple of questions now that you've looked at the information regarding post-secondary plan. I want you to click on this. It asks for a couple of pieces of information and then to let us know what your post-secondary plan is. So please take a little bit to pause the video and complete this form now. Okay, so you put your camera on this QR code and completed this form for us. We appreciate that. Remember that the information we've been giving you here it's a springboard. This is not the end of your plan for life after high school. It's the beginning. You want to use these things. If you don't already have a plan, you want to use these resources to create a plan. Sometimes you'll take it, you'll get it taken care of in a couple of weeks, or some of you it may take longer. Okay, make sure you do some planning now. planning now makes life easier a little bit later. So, make sure you spend some time doing this and reach out to us if you need assistance. We are happy to help you. Okay, thank you very much. That is senior seminar. Go Bruins and good luck to the class of 2022.